Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the entire process to create letter by letter animation in PowerPoint. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. And now, first step, let's go to layout here and select blank. Now I'm going to right click and select format background, and we're going to add a gradient. Now let's go to insert text box, and here let's enter our text. Okay, I have here some text. Now let's right click and select format shape, go to text options here, solid fill, it's fine. Let's select white, and now what we have to do here in animation, I'm gonna click on animation. Here we have appear. We play this, and this is what we have, which is pretty much nothing. Now we have to go to animation. Just click on animation plane here, and here what you have to do is to right click, select effect options, and here you have animate text by letter. Make sure you select by letter, and I usually here add 0.1, which are the seconds delay between letters. And you can even add a sound. You can add a typewriter sound, and here don't, after animation, don't dim. And now we have this sound. Okay, I'm gonna enable so you can hear. But for me, I'll turn off this sound. It's very annoying, so no sound. Now we have this effect. If you want, with this effect, now you can hold Alt Shift, and now you can create, let's say, this effect. Here's solid fill. We are in shape form, shape options. Make sure you go to text options. In here we don't want no fill, we want solid line. And here let's increase the width, not that much, just one, it's enough. See here. And now here what we have to do, I'm gonna move this up and here down. And if I want to copy this animation for the next text, what I have to do is select the text that I want to, from where I want to select the animation, click on animation painter and select our new text. And now if we move this on top of each other, or you can also excuse me, you can also select the text like this, and then you select the other one as well. You go to align, and here you select align in middle. And now we have here in animation, we would like this to delay. So let's see. Well, it's not what we want, and now it works fine. Now we have this this text animation. And of course, as I said, also make sure you here, by the way, that's very important, start on click, start with previous, here duration, here make sure start with previous, and also here in transition we should add as well after and apply to all. I mean, we only have one slide, but anyways. And now here we have this animation. If you want to make this slower, you can increase here. We can dim after if you want to, but I don't want to. Excuse me. Now, what I would like to do is to Control plus D to duplicate this. Now I have to think to myself what I would like to create here. Well, what I would like to create here is I'm gonna grab this up. So now this moves up here, and then this is here. And also, why not, let's add to this, not this one, but to this text. Let's add another animation. So let's go to add animation and add a motion path. But we have to change the direction from left and reverse path direction. But we want this to start first and change the direction. So now this is what we have. We can even add here this or this, or we have to turn this around like this. And now, by the way, we can also go like this up. This interesting effect. And now the next step, let's move to the next one. And here we have this from this direction. So that's the animation. Actually, I'm gonna cut this and duplicate again. And now I will select Control All, select everything, and Control G to group. And now I'm gonna move this here. Here. And now make sure you ungroup, Control Shift G, because if you don't ungroup, this animation won't work. And now here we have the text. We can add some morph. Let's see what we created here. And also this start. Something like this. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and take care.